Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Jeetendra Gurjar from KLS GAT Belgaum. Today I am going to just give you some few tricks on inverse trigonometry. It will be helpful for your CET as well as to get a good ranking. Okay, just made a little effort to help you out students. So please you can just see the screen. We're going to solve few examples on inverse trigonometry. Yes, so please you can take down the example students. Let's take first example. If x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, and x is greater than y, then can you easily tell me that tan inverse x plus y divided by x minus y plus tan inverse x divided by y is equal to, so they will just give you four options runs very easily. You can make out by attending this lecture. So first option minus pi by 4, second option pi by 4, see third option is 3 pi by 4, and last option they have given none of the above. Okay, so here how you will simplify students, you can use the trick here, very easy trick we have. You can use the trick and if you just take the solution, if you want to solve this manually easily you can take here. Please select, see that whenever such type of examples come, right, greater than 0, y is greater than 0, x is greater than 0, in the exam they may also give you z greater than 0, right? Keep this in your mind, choose the number 0 or 1. So in this example I will be choosing this as 1. So let me take this as x is equal to y is equal to 1. Suppose if I take this as 1, then do I get the answer? Let us try this students. So easily you can try here. So I will solve in the right hand side so that easily you can find out the answer. So just here I will solve one example. Yes. So how you will simplify this manually students? Very easily, quickly, within 2 to 3 minutes easily you can simplify this type of example. Just substitute here x is equal to y is equal to 1. So therefore you get this as tan inverse 1 plus 1 will become 2 divided by 1 minus 1 will become 0 plus tan inverse, yes friends, it is 1 upon 1. So if you just simplify, what is tan inverse, which is not defined, 2 divided by 0 is not defined at that time, what you have to think, this is, we have another angle pi by 2. So tan inverse pi by 2, it should strike in your mind easily, you can find out that this is pi by 2. So pi by 2 in tan trigonometry, we can easily see that there it is not defined. So 2 upon 0 is also not defined. Therefore, tan inverse 2 upon 0 or tan inverse undefined is pi by 2. Then plus tan inverse 1, already you know this is pi by 4. So which will become, just simplify, this is going to become 3 pi by 4. So the answer here is C. So therefore answer you have to choose C. So go for the second example students. Easily you should now simplify. See here. If cos inverse x is given, right, minus cos inverse y upon 2 is equal to alpha, then yes students, easily you can tell me now, then this is 4x square minus 4xy cos alpha plus y square y square is equal to, yes, now they have given the option here minus 4 sine square alpha, right? B is your 4 sine square alpha, C is 4 they have given, and D they have given 2 sine 2 alpha. Yes students, do you get the idea now? It's a strike in your mind. Right hand side I will simplify this. Yes, you have to choose one value, that will be 0 or 1. Okay, keep this in your mind. So I will choose here in this example, I will again choose 1. So you can just simplify. Here I will choose x, y as 1. So in the exam they may also give you z also. So again you are going to choose here 1. So now just substitute the values in the question and compare what you get here. So just put here x is equal to 1, I will get here 4, right? And then if you substitute here, it will be again 4, right? Xy is 1, so therefore I will get 4 cos alpha plus 1. Is it clear? So just simplify this ones. Yes, simplify. You require here cos alpha. Am I right? So to simplify cos alpha, just substitute in this equation. So therefore, cos inverse 1 minus cos inverse 1 is equal to alpha. Just substitute your x and y in this. Therefore, you can see cos 1. When the cos will be 1, here this is 1 upon 2. Yes, cos will be 1 when cos inverse will be 1 when it is 0 minus cos inverse 1 upon 2. Cos inverse 1 upon 2 is nothing but pi by 3. So alpha I should know now trigonometric formulas, right? So here easily you can see alpha is equal to minus pi by 3. So you can just substitute here alpha as minus pi by 3. So I will write here once again. This is 4 minus 4 cos minus pi by 3 will become 1 upon 2 plus 1. So easily you can simplify. You will get the answer or you will get the value 3. Right. So now don't leave it here only students. What you are going to do, how you can identify the answer here. After simplification you got 3, right? Just substitute in this 1 by 1 alpha. So you just take your a value and simplify minus 4 sine square alpha, that is sine alpha is minus pi by 2. So you can easily see that sine, I'll write here sine minus pi by 3. Yes, sine minus pi by 3 is minus root 3 upon 2. So just substitute here minus root 3 upon 2 square. So are you getting 3 answer? Here it is going to become plus. So this is minus 4, 3 upon 4 it is, we are getting minus 3. But what we want it should be 3. So go for B1. Easily you can see now this is 4 root 3 upon 2 square. So we can just take here 4 into 3 upon 4 which is 3. So this is exactly similar, means when I substitute in the cos inverse x minus cos inverse y upon 2, we are getting here 3 as x is equal to y is equal to 1. So therefore this answer is tallying with this. So therefore our right answer is B1. Yes students, easily you can simplify like this. Go for the third question. Let me see how many will simplify the third question. So if take the question students, cos inverse x upon 2 plus cos inverse y upon 3 is equal to theta. Then, yes friends, please simplify. So here they have given then 4x square minus 12xy cos theta plus 4x square is equal to, yes, you have to find now. Again, you can see easily four options they have given. A is 36, B is minus 36 sine square t, C they have given 36 plus 36 sine square theta they have given, and D they have given 36 cos square theta. Yes students, can you easily simplify? Let us see how many will get the answer. So solution, I will write it on the right hand side students. Easily you can find which is our option. You can see here. So now, as I already told you that 1 and 0 you have to take. So first let me take any value now. Suppose in this case I will take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Just substitute in this equation. So easily you can see here. So this is cos inverse 1 upon 2 plus cos inverse 0 is equal to theta. So therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse 0 is already you know all everyone students, it is pi upon 2, and cos inverse 1 upon 2, yes, it is pi upon 3 is equal to theta. Therefore, theta is equal to 5 pi by 6. Is it clear? So let me substitute this theta value and xy value in this equation. So therefore, see, it should satisfy the equation now. So therefore, I'll just substitute in this equation. This is 9, yes, minus y is 0. So therefore, this is 0. Again here y is 0. So therefore, this is also 0, which is equal to 9 from equation 1. Let me take this equation 1. So the answer we should get 9. So check. A is not the option because A is 36. So you're not telling with the 9. Go for B. B is what? Minus 36 sine square theta. First you take what is sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 runs. Easily you should understand now. So 5 by 6 will come here, sine 1 upon 2. Is it clear? So it should be now perfect. So therefore this is equal to minus 36 1 upon 2 square is equal to, yes students, you can see 4 you will get, and this is minus 9. So it is not telling with this answer, so therefore this is also not. So go for C. So C, it is plus 36 sine square theta is equal to 36 1 upon 2 square is equal to, yes friends, 9. So therefore you can easily compare. We are getting this equation 9 and this as same, so therefore the C option is correct, that is 36. So answer is C option. Easily you should able to simplify like this one. Definitely you see that many examples you will get in this form itself. And let me see another example. How many students will simplify the next example? Yes students, write down the next example. The fourth example I will take here, example 4. Okay, yes. So here the next question they have given in the year 2020. Express a sine inverse sine x plus cos x divided by root 2. Yes students, easily using the trigonometric inverse trigonometric function you can easily solve this, where it is in between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 in the simplest form. Yes students, we can going to simplify this in the simplest form. Let us see how many will simplify this. So I will write the solution here. So easily you have to make out now sine inverse of sin x plus cos x divided by root 2 is given. So how you can simplify this, students? Yes, you have to first write down the question and basic simplification will be done. So easily you can take here sine inverse. Just I will write down this 1 upon root 2. I will take it in this form, 1 upon root 2 sin x plus 1 upon root 2 cos x. Right. So just simplify this. That's it. So I think you remember sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 upon root 2, as well as cos pi by 4 is also 1 upon root 2. So you should, it should strike in your mind easily. You should able to simplify. Let me see. Just take now, I want to arrange such a way that here the inside this bracket it should be in the sign, so that sine inverse and sine should get cancelled. So this is how you have to use the trick now. So sine inverse, I will take now 1 upon root 2 as cos pi by 4 sin x plus, here again we have 1 upon 2. Here I will write purposely sin pi by 4 and cos x. So you should remember this ones very easily. You should write now what is cos a sin b plus sin a cos b formula will give you, this is equal to sine inverse sine a plus b, that is a is 4 pi by 4 plus b we have taken x, so that this sine inverse and this sine will get cancelled. So therefore you will get this is equal to pi by 4 plus x. So this is the simplest form. So this type of examples also will come in the exam, students. Okay, go for the next example number 5th. I will take here example 5, and let us find the value of, yes students, please try this value, tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Okay, so let me see how many will simplify this problem. Just find the value they have given. What is that value? Easily you should able to understand now, friends. See, whenever they have given minus root 3 is the angle. See, minus is very very important, very tricky. They are asking this type of examples every time. So now you can just simplify. So take down the question, rewrite the, frame the question in a simplest way. So tan inverse root 3, you can easily see tan root 3 is pi by 3. So you should able to simplify minus. So how you will simplify this ones? I want to take minus outside. So easily you can see pi minus cot inverse, it is root 3. So again you have to remember what is cot root 3, it is pi by 6. So just substitute all the values. So this is pi by 3 minus pi minus cot inverse root 3. So easily you can take here pi by 6. So just simplify this ones. You will get here minus pi by 2. So you can just simplify. This minus will come inside. So it is going to become minus pi plus pi by 6. Take the LCM. You will get the answer. Is it clear, students? So like this, please try similar type of examples. Instead of x and y, go on taking, substituting the value z also. Just interchange root 3 as 1 upon root 3. Then we have 1. Then also we have 1 upon root 2, right? 0, right? Undefined. All these terms you go on substituting the values, definitely easily you can simplify. Yes, friends. Thank you so much for attending the lecture, and all the best for